Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to download Google Chrome on your PC in just a couple of minutes. Ready? Let's get started. First things first, open whatever browser you're currently using on your PC. It could be Edge, Firefox, or whatever you have. Go ahead, open it up. I'll wait for you. Got it? Perfect. Now head over to the search bar and type in Google Chrome download. The official Google link should show up at the top. Go ahead and click on it. Awesome, you're on the Google Chrome download page. There should be a big blue button that says download Chrome, so go ahead and click it. Once you click it, the download will start automatically. You might get a little pop-up asking if you want to save the file. Just click save or yes and it'll start downloading. Now after it's done downloading, open the file. If you're on Windows, double click the file you just downloaded. It'll usually be called chromesetup.exe. Once you double click it, the setup will run in a few moments. Chrome will be installed and ready to go. It'll even open automatically. You now have Google Chrome installed on your PC. Wasn't that easy? Now go ahead and start browsing faster, safer and smoother with Chrome. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment if you have any questions. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. Thank you for watching and catch you in the next one.